If you're waiting to get 1,000 subscribers before you start making money on YouTube, then you might wait for a very long time. And the funny thing is that while you are waiting, money is already passing you. Yes, I said it. Because when I first started YouTube, I honestly thought the same thing. I actually really thought that without YouTube monetization, then you cannot make money. So I just kept posting, I kept waiting, I kept hoping to get monetized and start making money on YouTube. And to be honest, that mindset alone slowed me down. If you're a small creator or you just started YouTube, it doesn't matter if you have 50 subscribers, it doesn't matter if you have 100 subscribers or even 200 subscribers. This video is for you. And what I'm about to share in this video, I'm going to show you evidence of how much I actually made without being monetized here on YouTube. So grab a chair, relax and listen carefully. Because even after watching this video, you can actually start making money. Let me clear something first. YouTube does not pay you first. People do. Yes. People pay you before YouTube ever pays you. YouTube AdSense is just one way to make money, but it is not the first way. Most of you watching me on this channel probably don't know this yet. I'm not monetized on this channel yet. I got monetized on my other channel last year. On this channel, I'm not monetized yet. And I actually made money on this channel. Even before I got 1,000 subscribers, I was already making money from YouTube. And that is what I want you to understand in this video. You don't need big audience to make money on YouTube. You only need the right people. 100 right people is actually better than 10,000 wrong people. Now, let me show you 5 ways you can actually make money without being monetized on YouTube. I'm going to be showing you proofs of how much I actually made without being monetized on YouTube. So you don't think this is actually a clickbait? Now let's get into it. Let's start with the fastest one, which is affiliate marketing. This one is very important, so you need to listen carefully. Affiliate marketing simply means you recommend something and you get paid when somebody buys it. That's it. No stress. And now here's the funny thing. You're already doing affiliate marketing. You just don't know it. Because every time you say, I got this mic from this place, I use this app, I got these tools from this place, you're already recommending things. The only difference is just that you're not getting paid for it. Now, let me give you my own personal example. How much I made on this particular channel you're watching me on without being monetized. Last year, I made a video where I unboxed content creation tools I got from Temu. In that video, I unboxed lights, tripod, and a mic. The video should be on the screen right now. These are things I actually use. Before posting that video, I signed up for Temu's affiliate marketing program, and after posting the video, the only thing I did was that I added my affiliate link in the description of that video. But honestly, when I did that, I was not even serious about it. I've never done anything affiliate marketing. I just said, let me join and let me add it. And then I did. And that's because I didn't know how powerful affiliate marketing was at that time. I posted the video, I just left everything there and I forgot about it. Fast forward to this year, January this year, 2026. I was just going through Temu and it just clicked in my mind that let me just check my affiliate dashboard on Temu. Honestly, I didn't think I was going to make anything from it. When I opened my affiliate dashboard on Temu, guys, guess what? I actually made money, real money, and I didn't even know. Now I'm going to show you proof for you to see. This is my dashboard on Temu. I actually made a total of 40,617 naira from Temu without knowing. As you can see here now, it's showing withdrawal. I withdrew this money on the 14th of January this year, 2026, because I didn't know I even made money on that platform. I was not serious about it. See, I'd made this money since June 24th, 2025. Somebody bought something from Temu through my affiliate link and I earned 2,000 naira. Here, somebody bought something from Temu and I earned 21,000 naira from what that person bought. Another person bought something as at May 30, 2025 and I got 10,000 naira from what they bought, and so on and so forth. Now imagine that I actually took affiliate marketing seriously, even on other platforms apart from Temu. I would have made more than that. So I made that amount of money on Temu, not because I was serious about it, but because it actually works. And that was when it clicked for me that if I can actually make money when I was not serious, what will happen now that I understand it properly? This year, I'm going all in into affiliate marketing. To be honest, like I am going all in. So if you're watching me now and you're thinking, oh, I don't have big audience, I don't have plenty subscribers, let me bust your bubble. As at the time I made that video, I had like 300 subscribers plus. People that bought from that affiliate link, they bought those things because of the things I unboxed in that video and my reviews about those tools. I want you to forget about not having plenty subscribers now, because one person can click your link, one person can buy and you get paid. Now there are also other platforms that actually have affiliate programs. I know of Amazon, I know of Shein, I know of Jumia. There are lots and lots of them. Just pick one of these platforms. You can even do all, if possible. If you know that you can buy things from them and review those things, you can do all. Or anywhere you buy things from, or any platform that you know that has affiliate program, you can buy goods from them and review the things you got from them. And then if your viewers or audience watch it and like it and buy from your affiliate link, then you get paid. Now, if you want to actually join Temu's affiliate program, I dropped a link in the description of this video below. Just click on it and sign up and you're good to go. You can link whatever social media that you know that you are active on. It can either be your Facebook, it can either be your TikTok, it can even be your YouTube. I actually linked my own YouTube to Temu. Just get your affiliate link and start getting products from any of the platforms you choose. Like I said earlier, it can be Amazon, it can be Shein, it can be whatever. This is the point where I advise you. Please always make sure that you actually recommend things that you use. Don't just recommend something that you've never used, something that you don't even know what it looks like. Always make sure you actually recommend something that you use, because that is how you build trust, and your integrity is very important. The second method is selling digital products. I would like to say at this point that 2025 was actually an eye-opening year for me, because someone very close to me actually made a lot of money from selling digital products, and this actually changed my mindset completely. Now, so what is a digital product? A digital product is something you create once and sell over and over again. You don't need to repackage it every time. You don't need to ship anything. Now, examples of digital products: you could create a guide, you could create a template, checklist, courses, and ebooks. Let me give you an illustration. Imagine you made a painting and you upload it on a particular website, and then people pay you to download that painting again and again. That is exactly how selling digital products works, because you did not redraw the painting, but you keep earning from it. Now, here is the shocking part: one digital product can actually pay you more than AdSense. Now, let's do a simple math. Let's say YouTube pay you maybe $2 for 1,000 views, but if you sell a digital product for $10 and one person buys it from that same 1,000 people that watched your video, that means you already made more money. That's why digital products are powerful. Now, if you want to do this, I will advise that you create something that matches your channel, something along your niche. You can create courses, you can create ebooks, something that you know that your audience will resonate with and learn and gain from. So if you notice people are asking the same questions about your niche all the time, instead of answering people one after the other, you can actually create a course that they could go back to. That being said, I'll be creating a video editing course soon. It is beginner friendly, it is pocket friendly. Everything I'll be teaching in that course, it will majorly focus on how to edit with your phone like a pro. So what's the space, guys? Now, how do you promote this digital product? Number one, you can use short to promote your digital product, because short gets a wider reach than long form videos, and buyers will definitely come. The second way to promote your digital product is by running ads here on YouTube. Let's say I made a video promoting my digital product. So if I want to actually promote it here on YouTube, all I need to do is just go to that particular YouTube video where I was promoting the digital products, then click on these three dots, then click on promote. When you get here, YouTube is asking you what's your main goal. For you, promoting that video is not about audience growth and it's not about video views. You want people to buy your course. All you just need to do is click on website visit, then click on next. Then if you don't have an account, you just click on create new account, then click on next. So add the link where your digital product is. Just click on this URL here and input the link, then follow the next steps, and you can list your digital products on places like Gumroad or seller.com. That is that on that. So the third way to make money without being monetized is coaching and consulting. Let me say this clearly: you don't need to know everything, you just need to know a little more than someone else to actually coach and teach them. Why this is actually important is that some people don't like courses. They want someone to explain, guide them, correct them, and answer their questions. And that's where coaching comes in. If you want people to reach you and you want to start consulting, always make sure your contact detail is visible. And the reason why mine is not there now is because I'm not available yet. I don't have the time for that yet. I have a lot on my plate offline. You can also make a flyer and even a video about your coaching services and your consulting services, so your audience who are interested will reach out to you. The fourth method is selling your services. Your YouTube channel is your portfolio. People are watching silently, and the thing about this particular method of making money is that some people don't want to learn. They just want somebody to do something for them. Here you can sell video editing. I'm not talking about courses now. Somebody will send you their video and you edit it for them and you charge them. That's selling your services. Or you can create thumbnail design for people here on YouTube, or you can help somebody set up their channel. Some people actually pay for this here. You can also do voiceover for them, and this one, I personally know somebody that is eating mad money from this one: YouTube management. You can help people manage their YouTube account. That is why I always tell people that consistency on your channel or your social media page matters a lot. I mean, even if your views are low, make sure you keep posting good content because people are watching. The last method to make money without being monetized is by selling physical products. So this is for hands-on niches. For example, people that are into fashion, crafts, DIYs. This is actually for your type of niche because some people like what you do, but they don't want to stress themselves. They would rather buy from you than create that thing by themselves. So with this method, you can use short to promote your product as well. One thing I would advise is that you shouldn't do everything at once. Pick one method and grow from there. Let me give you an expo. The fastest one out of all this method is affiliate marketing. You can start it right now, even while still watching this video. And this is just a simple reminder. I've left the Temu affiliate program link in my description box below. So if you're interested, if you want to start making money while you're sleeping, click on it and sign up. Now tell me in the comment section, which of these 5 methods do you want to try first? So we've come to the end of the video. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll be alerted anytime an amazing video like this one drops. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye.